Hey, what's up? It's Queens Kennels. Yesterday I built the 4-bay in one day. This one in particular is going to Star City, Arkansas. The individual that found us on Instagram, I believe. As far as the videos go, I do a time lapse right now. The main reason why I do a time lapse is just for the viewers' entertainment. At this point in time, I'm not really trying to do a step-by-step build. The only reason being is because the patent is still in the works. We do have a patent pending on the process that I do here. So trademarks is in the works. So, anybody that's stealing ideas or whatever, it's gonna get shut down real soon. So we're going through the motions. And as I move further along in the monetization of my YouTube channel, I will probably go a little more in depth on what I'm building. Yesterday, I started with the front panel, and then I assembled the back panel on top of that. I assembled the dividers, then I assembled the doors. Then I went ahead and paneled them with my goat panels. After that, I went ahead and built the decking, and then I believe I built the roof. And then I went ahead and attached my doors and my latches and hinges to the front. So tomorrow, which will be Sunday, I'll be delivering it to, I believe I said it's already Star City, Arkansas. Hopefully get it knocked out real early in the morning. It's getting hot out here, getting humid. And I appreciate y'all watching.
WB with another banker. Turn it up. W Beats with another banger. Turn it up.